welcome back to Easy Nails. Today I'm going to show you how I decorate these Gel X dupe nails. I got these ones are coffin shape and they are a perfect length. They are not too short, not too long, so super wearable for every day. I'm going to show you how I paint them with gel polish. I'm using the Born Pretty gel polishes. I'm really impressed with them. They are super opaque. They went on really well, and these nails lasted me for 4 weeks before I had to go in and infill. So I highly recommend these. I am just applying this really carefully. This is a really beautiful, a dark cherry color, and it has some really pretty fine shimmers in it. It's a gorgeous color. So I'm applying this to the whole nail. I'm doing super thin coats, and then I'm curing it in my LED UV lamp for 60 seconds between each coat. When working with gel polishes, you guys want to make sure that you are using really thin coats so that your gel polish lasts and it doesn't peel. And I didn't apply a base coat underneath these. You guys totally can. I just buffed these nails, cleansed them with some rubbing alcohol really well, made sure that they were dry, and then I went in with my gel application. This color is a really beautiful nude color. I swatched all of these in my Born Pretty AliExpress haul. I will link that video for you guys to see. Overall, I'm super impressed with their gel polish quality. It's really good. It doesn't contain HEMA, which I was super surprised of because it is on the more affordable side of gel polishes. HEMA is a really common ingredient in gel polishes and monomers that can cause really bad skin reactions, so I tried to avoid it all in general just to be on the safe side. So yeah, these don't contain HEMA, so I really love them, and I'm loving these Gel X dupe nails. These are from AliExpress. I adhered them with polygel. I will be having a video coming up. I know you guys saw me review that To Be Glam polygel kit, the everything kit, which literally has everything you need to do polygel nails. It is amazing, super affordable, HEMA free as well. So I will be having a video coming out soon when I am infilling these nails with polygel and I apply a new Gel X nail with polygel. So I recommend you guys are subscribed to see that video. But yeah, these nails lasted really well. Love the length and everything, so I highly recommend. So I'm going over the Gel X dupe nails again with the Born Pretty gel polish. This color is a really pretty gray color, and it has like burgundy super fine shimmers in it, so it's a really gorgeous color. So you guys can see how smoothly and nice these apply to the nail. I'm super careful not to touch the cuticle, but if you do, you can just take a little brush with some acetone and wipe away any area that is touching the cuticle before you go in and cure. The white, I used the mud gels from Venalisa to do the French nail on that. I didn't put a base color. I should have, but I didn't. I just went in straight with the white. Yeah, so I'm curing this in between each layer for 30 seconds. I absolutely love the way that these nails are gonna turn out. They are super cute. Again, a super wearable length. I really enjoyed the length. They were short, I would say like short to medium coffin, but the way that they're built, they're just really wearable. And yeah, I highly recommend this length for anybody. So I have been using the iGel Beauty bling gel that I got in a giveaway from Sabra. So thank you, girl. It has been working really well for me. It is super sticky though, so just be careful. But I have been using that to adhere my stones, and it's pretty easy to take them off, and they do last me a good 3 to 4 weeks. So I highly recommend that if you guys are looking for a good bling gel, so you guys can see how beautiful these nails are turning out. Absolutely love them. And of course, I'm gonna go in and decorate these Yeah, so I did use Builder Base for adhering the stone here, but it slipped all over the place and was just a hot mess. So I recommend, instead of that, going in with your top coat and then going in with that, what was the brand? Oh boy, it just skipped my head. That jewelry gel, iGel Beauty jewelry gel, a little dollop of that, and then applying this. So I recommend doing it that way instead. This charm I got from Shein. It's a gorgeous charm. It is really, really pretty and elegant, and it just elevated the whole look of the Gel X nails. I absolutely love these, and I have been loving doing the Gel X nails on my non-dominant hand, which is my left hand. It's so much easier, and it's such a hack to use these on your left hand. You can get flawless nails on your non-dominant hand doing the Gel X nails. I highly recommend. They're gonna look perfect, and they literally are like no work at all, so I absolutely love it. You guys are gonna see me struggle here trying to keep this stone on the nail. It was just wiggling all over the place. So yeah, and I am OCD, so I want to make sure it was perfectly straight. You guys, if you have not subscribed, subscribe to my channel. I have a bunch of hauls coming up. I have a super easy way to adhere the Gel X nails with polygel using the To Be Glam kit. I have a bunch of Watch Me Works for Valentine's Day nails. I have an infill on the Gel X nails. I have a Light Elegance haul. I have a Dynamic Nail Supply acrylic haul, so make sure you guys are subscribed. And for the giveaway, of course, you have to be subscribed and share my channel on any social medias, so make sure you are subscribed for that. We are almost at 1K. Thank you, thank you, thank you to everybody. Truly appreciate all of you guys, and I consider you guys my dear friends. I love the nail community here on YouTube. Cannot say that enough, so thank you everybody so much. I'm just showing you guys. I use the ColourPop gel. I put in the blooming gel, right? And then I didn't cure it. And then I used the ColourPop gel to get like this swirled effect that I wanted on the ring finger here. Let me guys know, how do you guys use blooming gel? I really want to, I was having trouble figuring it out here. So like, I'm assuming you don't cure the blooming gel and then go in with your design. I really want to try that rose design. So yeah, let me know how you guys use your blooming gel. This was my first time using blooming gel, so I was new to it, but let me know how you guys like to use your blooming gel. I really want to try out that rose design on my next nails coming up, so let me know. I am using, this is a color potted gel from Venalisa, and I'm using a striper brush here, and I'm just applying this on to the nail. I don't know if I didn't wait enough. I love the way it turned out, but it wasn't what I was expecting. So if you guys have any tips or tricks on how to use blooming gel, let me know in the comment section down below. So here I am. I'm doing like an abstract French design on these. Yes, yeah. I am doing a really pretty and elegant side swiped crystal design on this pinky nail. Yeah, I would suggest putting over your top coat. I'm using the Amy Lee Hema Free top coat, curing that, and then going in with a little bit of the iGel Beauty Bling Gel. This little kit here I got from AliExpress. It was like $2 or $3. Super affordable. This is like a gorgeous champagne colored crystal. Came with a bunch of shapes of crystals and then a bunch of different sizes of the regular round flat black crystal. So I highly recommend this. I will have this in my AliExpress haul that I did for you guys. I will link it in the cards. So I'm just going in and kind of doing a side swept crystal design on this pinky finger. I really, really love this design. I thought it was super, super elegant and really tied these Gel X nails together. And you guys can see how wearable is this length. Super, super cute, super wearable. Not too long, not too short. I absolutely love the way that they made the nails look. They were so, so elegant. And here I am testing out the Model 1's matte top coat. I'm going to be matting the first nail, and I changed up the first nail and the thumbnail, so you guys will see that. But I'm going to be matting up the first nail and the ring, the pinky finger. And I absolutely love the way that that black cherry, I love the way that like black cherry, dark wine burgundy, shimmery shades look matte. They are so, so pretty. So I absolutely love that. And I should have gone in with the fine liner brush around the crystals, but you guys just want to make sure that you are going around your crystals but not touching them, because it will just dull the shine. But overall, I really do like this matte top coat. Yeah, I really, really like. I try to stay away from Model 1's Macart stuff just because they have HEMA in them. But for top coat, as long as I'm not touching my skin, it's okay. So I'm just really, really carefully going around these crystals, and then I'm going to top coat the rest of the nails. I absolutely am obsessed with these Gel X dupe nails. Watch me work. I hope you guys enjoyed. They're so, so elegant and beautiful. Again, an infill on these with polygel is coming up really, really soon, so keep an eye out for that. And look at how beautiful and elegant these nails look. This was with the non-dominant hands. Absolutely love them. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you're subscribed, comment down below, like this video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.